Hi guys, today I will explain how to mute audio in Clipchamp. This process is too simple and you can see I already opened my Clipchamp application and open a project. Now in order to mute audio, first thing is you need to import your video by clicking on the option Import Media and import your video from your computer gallery. Once you will import, take your mouse cursor and click on this plus icon, and then it will be added to the timeline. Now first, I will play the video so you can hear the voice of this video. Hi guys, today I will explain about how to create short. You hear the voice. Now in order to mute, simply take your mouse cursor on the video and do a right click. And here you can see the option of audio. And I will take my mouse cursor to the audio. Here you can see the option of mute. Simply click on it. Once you will click on it, your audio will be muted. Now if I play the video again, you can see the audio has been muted. Now, if you want to turn on the audio again, then click here, and your audio will be unmuted. And it was the way which you can do it easily.